All right, here is Chainlink. So Chainlink's still looking really good. This is still one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. Fundamentally, I think they have very strong fundamentals. We saw that news drop on Chainlink yesterday. I actually made a thread about it that it was classified as a commodity. So it's technically the same exact kind of asset now. It's classified as the same kind of asset as gold and silver. So banks love commodities. I actually did a whole thread on here on why commodities are why it's important, why it's bullish for Chainlink that it is now classified as a commodity. What that does is it puts in the framework, right? It gives the smart money, the banks and stuff like that. It gives them clarity on what the asset is and what it's going to be classified as. That is now classified as a commodity, and that came out from the SEC yesterday. That was really big news. If you guys want to read that thread, it's over there on Twitter. But fundamentally, I think Chainlink is one of the strongest cryptos out there. Again, it being a commodity tells you that, hey, it's probably never going anywhere. And pretty much all the infrastructure on Chainlink is what the governments and the financial system is being built on. So they refer to Chainlink as more of like the plumbing. It's the plumbing of crypto. Okay, so this isn't a fundamental video though, but that was very bullish news for it. All of that coming down here, right? We got this green dot there a couple weeks ago. That came right there on February 23rd. That's what that's telling you is that, hey, this right here is the potential bottom at 7. So up above 7 on Link, I think looks good. I find it funny every time we get like a 5% dip on these things, people just come out of the woodworks. But ultimately, guys, these are 1 to 6 month swing trades, right? This isn't a day trade. This doesn't mean that we're going from here to here overnight. Okay, the last round of dots we got was back here. We got one right there in June and one right there in April. So that came at $10, right? $11. It went all the way up to 28, almost $30. That was a 200% move, but it didn't happen overnight, right? When you get the signal, this means we need to wait 1 to 6 months. Okay, and again, I don't make this stuff up as I go. It's over here in our trading rules. I have a free trading course if you guys want to see, learn more about the strategy and the indicators. But all of our investments, right, is a 1 to 6 month time frame. So if we get a green dot and we get a red day, okay, that doesn't mean anything, right? Because we're technically holding until the wave comes back up here on our indicator. Okay, back up here, like we refer to ourselves as farmers a lot here, right? We're planting seeds down here, right? Throughout this whole time. That's like 3 months worth of time, just going sideways, chop, 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 chop. And then finally, we have that breakout, boom, and we go on this parabolic run. This is where everyone gets really excited. This is when everyone will be buying Chainlink again when it's up here at 30, 40, 50 bucks. No one cares about it down here, but here at Overkill Trading, we want to buy low and sell high. So we're continuing to add here to Chainlink.